Okay, Eva, hold still.
Don't move.
Hold real still.
He won't hurt you. He just wants his friend.
It's a little hand.
Hold it a little lower.
Hold it lower.
Okay, and then hold still.
There you go.
Oh, that was so cute.
Who's that pretty? You want to do another one?
No.
Okay, you want to?
At
Okay.
least he didn't put my claws on me.
No.
Is it the same one, or they're like...
Stays longer on my hand.
He stands there.
The
Try
other
to
one.
see if that one will.
I need them to come to you. He probably doesn't know what to do. He sees yours and mine. Oh. Which one?
Well, there's two of them.
It's working.
Oh, they're staying longer and it's freaking me out.
I'm sorry, Ryan.
No, whichever one he goes to.
Okay, there's one above you, Ryan. Ryan's gonna be attacked.
Oh, there's two of them. Okay. Doesn't that feel neat on your hand?
Here we go.
Doesn't it? You want some more?
There's more.
Okay.
You're just gonna walk down the arm.
Doesn't it feel almost creepy and cool at the same
Yeah.
time?
Gotta stay over here by me, Eva, and then he'll come.
Jenny's arm.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, Jenny, you're tempting. Oh, look, there's two.
Two?
Ryan, you gonna do yours or wait till Jenny?
I'll wait.
Here we go. Come on, birdie.
He's looking.
Scared of me?
Whichever one flies to you, then I'll do another one. Oh, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you only did 3. Okay.
But he's coming back. He woofed him down.
Well, that little guy up there wants one. Yeah, Ryan, you do one. Okay. Okay, he's looking. He's gonna come, I hope. You're a little more shy. Oh no, he flew backwards. Come on.
Let me come to Mama.
Okay, he's looking. There's these bugs. Okay, Ryan, he's right behind you.
There's the moth down there. I can get
Right behind you. Here he. Oh, now he went over. Oh, Jenny's getting. Okay, there's one coming up beside Ryan. Here he comes up to your right, Ryan. Oh, here he comes. Oh, you go do one at a time. Hey, Jenny's doing the shoulder.
Do Jenny.
I know, but this one should come. Okay, here comes one. He's coming back to you. Here he comes. Oh, now that one saw that he got it off of you, so here comes another one, I think. Okay, there he is. Up on Jenny. Oh, Ryan, they're so cute.